So after you find somebody like that, you know, here, you see him when you don't want to see me? You see him when I don't want to see you either.
Me, I want to see a drunk like you, because I'm your brother. But I'm not going to you stay at my see you not on again.
So why are you threatening me like this so that me confused about?
Your mother big stinking pussy wall.
Why you threatening me so far like you feel like me are some weak fencer? Me don't know if because me so calm, make you feel like say. I don't know how you feel like seriously.
Good day, my wonderful people. When you hear that clip there, the boy Jack Cure. When you hear how disrespectful that pussy days, yo, him on the poster boy for the most worthless artist will ever come out of Jamaica, reggae artist. Straight up. But anyways, remember do me introduction. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again, countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear roster man, silent, Trini boss, garage boss, Africa boss, 647 boss, combo boss, big up. Yo, me like our tune. Yeah, that girl is progressive. Even though she not notoriety. You understand? But everybody big up, all of the subscribers, everybody me love them. But let's go back into this guy. Now, a long time I watch Jack Cure. I'm not lying, I did a root for the youth, yeah. Cause I know where I come from. And live a Mobile. And they are town. Him not represent Mobile at all. Alright, that's cool. But me a looking at history, and the boy I get a big bumbuckler break. Yo, me don't know no man who can get a better break than that boy. When him boss, him and Barris, and a Cableton give him that name there, and Barris bring him on tour in Europe. And then him come back and end up a prison for rape to rascal. Get 15 years. Me not even know how that boy there travel. Me know him can't come to America. But he might travel to other place. And other people where they are Jamaica will have less charge and him can't even get a passport to rascal to come out of the island. Yo, nowhere in Europe would I give them a damn. Me know people right now where have them family in a Switzerland and them place there, and them can't blood clot Switzerland because them have one little small charge where they did get. And him a travel and him have the opportunity and look how him deal with film thing. And the most worthless are the poster boy for worthlessness dog. We can't believe it how that boy a walk this to blow out. You hear my threaten the woman. You hear my threaten the woman in my big hard crutches. And she a say, she in her bed. And me no want come out right now, but me I don't get dressed. But like him there with him brethren. So, he might say, yo, you not dressed already? She a say, no. You talk to me. Anyways, for some reason, he said something to the girl, and the girl unsigned. And then the man start disrespecting the young lady. So she say, yo, you think me a soft as you just hear me? Cool, so can I tell the girl, say, ride out. Push part of hotel there. Ray. When you ride out, call me. And him threaten the girl, dog. Then him go to Netherlands. I perform. And everybody know what him do. That you the right there, so. You understand? Papa, the man, jam up the big time. And the youth are sending him go to prison. Yo, would I send him go to prison? Make him go to prison, dog. That boy there, how much bus him a go get? Then him there jail. And do him tune from yard when him there jail and come out. And then was able to fly to Trinidad and do show to the youth there. Kojo, we doing video. Kojo and my friend. And the youth, they used to mind him in a prison. Kojo. Then, wanna know him wife? Yo, Jack Ure are one of the most beautiful wife. Even though she divorced him, them have a little daughter. And daughter so cute and nice. Him, you see him wife? Him ex-wife? That girl have a master's degree in a journalism. That girl is smart. She go university. In a one of them, I think a Finland she did there. I do her and then she come back and then she go a Stanford. She did big and fat, she lose weight, she set up her fitness business. Yo, me no know how him can lose a wife like that. Camilla McDonald, that her wife name. Beautiful young lady. You understand? Smart, independent. She have her one daughter. No, I want you name Fontan. But they are Miami and slap it. Yo, I should have me a slap it, dog. Yo, Kamala. Camille. What's the name? Camille McDonald. Link up countryman, yo. Cause yeah, well no, I'm not gonna disrespect Fontan. I forgot to say she did Fontan, so. But yeah, would I tear it up? Straight up. You understand? This guy is the poster boy for worthless reggae artists. He's the poster boy for the most worthless reggae artists on the planet. Now, him stuck at Amsterdam, but him lucky at Amsterdam him there. Cause Amsterdam, them jail come in like hotel. You understand? And him have a little bit of celebrity, but in a them place there, and like Jamaica, when you're a celebrity, and in a protective custody you go. You understand? Them place they monitor them thing different. You can't set up no jailbreak, no jail war and racial. Yo, them are probe you. He's a madman. The man get the biggest break. I just can't understand it. I can't understand it. When him stop up the man in a blood clot in Amsterdam, I don't know how him think him did I go get out of there. Him think of Jamaica. And the boy, him come out of jail and was able to get another break, buy him red Benz, live wherever, cause the whole of them a make money, you know. From the ugly one, the squash go right back to my boy, intense ton mulatto. You understand? Intense a my boy though. And thing. Squash a Captain Caveman. And that one him a Jawar. No, but we can't mix Rastaman name like that. You understand? But the youth are one of the sickest person, and me I tell you this. Anybody who want bet me, them can bet me. The youth him I go end up back at jail when him go back at Jamaica. Him don't know how to live him life. You understand? Him don't know how to live him life. The youth Him don't know how to live him life. Him is like him have constant attention and constant sex and them thing there with different kind of girl and all sort of crazy lifestyle, dog. No. It doesn't work like that. You understand? You have to get your life together, my youth. They can't and I tear off the girl them drawers like that. It don't work like that. You understand? Beautiful wife, beautiful young daughter, and you're there in prison in Amsterdam, my youth. You might like the opposite of Beanie Man. Cause Beanie Man I take him friend woman and I live life. That one yeah? You might treat the woman. No approach. You might treat the woman. And I stop up the promoter them. Okay, Jacure. Nice career move. But anyways, me have to wrap it up. Cause I just want to highlight the brother here and the Efri where I'm going with. And I just want to do some analysis. Cause like me say, me see him all the while and me hear him story and thing. Him little rape charge at jail. And they say, alright, yeah man, they must set him up like Ray. But now, it seems to me that this guy have a sex problem. And him have an attitude problem. You understand? And through my entertainer and them a walk with man we have gone and them thing there and you know them go on. But yo, Amsterdam have something for you. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group, the Patreon page. Give me some ideas of some of the story. Guys, if you do something on Desiree, the girl that the UWI student will go missing. So, let me know. Countryman, I'm out.